Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking on a big challenge. I'll be drawing Tanjiro Kamado from Demon Slayer's Infinity Castle. But here's the twist. I'm only gonna use cheap color pencils. No fancy art supplies, Just the kind you can grab at a local shop. Let's see if I can still make this look amazing. I start with a light pencil sketch. Even with simple supplies, it's important to get the proportions right. Carefully observe your reference and sketch to match it. Tanjiro's pose here is strong and determined. I'm keeping my lines very faint so I can correct any mistakes easily.
Feel the ground shaking underneath, trying to take me alive. Get ready for the fallout. Can't stop me now. I got no rival. I'ma find my way through the blood and pain game of survival. Any time or place, watch 'em run away.
Next, I go over my sketch with darker lines. You can use any basic black pen or just use a darker value pencil like 6B or 8B, but I'm going with the black pen. Tanjiro's face is key here, so I paid extra attention. Now for the color pencils. With cheaper pencils, the trick is layering with patience. Instead of pressing too hard, I go lightly and build up the color slowly. For Tanjiro's face, I use a peach color for the skin tone and then brown color for the shadows. For his shades, I lay down green first, then deepen it with darker strokes.
Never
Finally, I added finishing touches, a little more shading around his hair and darker outlines to make him stand out. Even with budget pencils, you can create something nice if you layer carefully with patience.
Cause I own it. Don't you know that I locked and unloaded? You're out of focus. Get ready for the fallout. Can't stop me now. I got no rival. I'ma find my way through the blood and pain game of survival. Anytime or place.
And here's the final result. Tanjiro Kamado from Demon Slayer's Infinity Castle, drawn with cheap color pencils. What do you think? Did I pull it off? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let me know which anime character I should try next. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also share this video with your fellow anime fans.